Gandang panahon ngayon mga kaibigan. Kahapon halos maghapon na umaambon. Ngayong umaga ang ganda ng sikat ng araw. Blake, sumunod ka sa akin. Where is Tatang? No, he's there. He's there at the door. You see the beautiful flower. There, Tatang is coming. Early in the morning. Good morning, flowers. How are you? Small cypress, beautiful. It's a windy morning today. Sunny and windy day. There, beautiful hydrangea flowers. Also the trees are blooming flowers. There, Blake. Magandang panahon mga kaibigan. Hindi kagaya kahapon na maghapon umaambon. Tatang is there. Let's go. Let's go back na. Going there. You're going. You're stay here. I'm going inside na. Going inside na. You see, there's a dog there. Dog. There. Oh, there's a dog coming. Let's go, let's go. Come. You're calling the dog. Sunny and windy day. Yes. There, the dog, beautiful dog, cute dog. No, don't go near below.
It's very fun.
What's the name of the dog? Maverick. Yes. Kind dog, kind and cute dog. Bye. Bye-bye, dog.